Welcome to another day at Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Appreciate y'all coming back and watching. This week is just gonna be a real short video. Well, actually not this week, but we're just gonna do a little short here. I should have do it on my phone, but either way, we are gonna try something. If y'all can tell, and if y'all have watched my videos, you know that my shop is not insulated. So what I'm trying to do, and I've tried to get an estimate on what it would cost to have this whole shop spray foamed. It was over $13,700. Yeah, home slice can't afford that. So we're gonna have to do it the Locust Farm and Fab Shop way, do it yourself. So I have spent some money on two different variations of spray foam. One of them is called Crack and Bond. What it is I bought 12 of these cans, fast coat spray foam insulation. One board yields up to 20 board feet or 20 square foot. It's not a lot. Of course, we've got the cleaner to clean it out. Came in this nice box. I got this from the eBay. And the other is this. This is a 300 board foot spray foam application system that I got from Lowe's. So in this week's video, which I don't have time to do right now, it's just it's probably after 6 o'clock. I just got home from work, so I did some this weekend and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like, but we're going to try to do this whole wall with the foam that I have right now. Sorry guys, the lighting is kind of jacked up. I'm working on that. That's a future to-do project, but this is what it looks like. I've sprayed the doors to my shop. You can see some areas are thick and really good, and then some areas are really thin. So we have to really work on my spray foam application situation. Anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. See y'all later.